Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I thought of sharing roll on wax experience with you people. For roll on wax experience, I have ordered few products that is required from Amazon. Link would be there in the description of the video. So the first thing I have ordered is strawberry rica wax. So this is the filler that is needed. So this is actually wax that we will heat and will use it. So roll-on wax is becoming quite popular these days because of contactless experience. For that I have got waxing strips. So I have ordered 100 epilating strips from Glamroy. It is available in Amazon and the quality is good. I've used it before as well. This is the first time I'm going to use roll-on wax and I'm trying to do it myself. So for same reason you can see I have not removed hairs from my hand. I didn't wax it this month to ensure I give a good experience to the viewers of this video. Coming to the product, so I have ordered the machine that we will be needing. So this is a depilatory heater machine. So this is actually quite handy, small in size. So even if you're traveling, you can. It's very handy to use. I don't know about the result yet because I have not tried roll-on wax before. I would be trying it for the first time, and that is why I would not be editing this video at all. So you get the best experience of pros and cons of roll-on wax. So yes, behind the box you get the entire process mentioned, how to use it, how to apply it, everything. So I'll take out the product. Okay, so we have this connector. I think this is for charging this heater. And oh, it's beautiful. It's sleek, handy. It looks good. So this is the depilatory heater. So without wasting much of time, I would be actually starting with the process. So we actually have to put this inside this heater and we have to heat it. Once it's heated, we'll start with applying it. So this is the depilatory heater. You can see it is all new. This is quite handy when you're traveling. So I am taking this strawberry lipo wax from Rica brand. You can use any brand that of your choice. It comes in multiple flavors like strawberry, aloe vera, chocolate. You can use the one of your choice. So we can see the wax is getting heated. We have this light here that shows us that the machine is working good. So we have our waxing strips. We'll wait for another 2 minutes for wax to get heated completely so we can use it. We can see it is actually warm when I'm holding this. I'll close the connection. I'll take it out. So yes, it is hot. Let me try this. If it works, I'll apply it to a small portion and see. Yeah, it is rolling easily, but okay, let me try this. So yeah, it is warm enough. I'll try applying it. Okay, so it is hot. I have applied it. And so I've applied a layer to it. and you can see it is done well. In just one time I can see the hairs are coming off nicely. uh, I'll put it for heating again because it's still a bit thick. Yeah. This is the process how you can wax yourself, and in this COVID situation, it's always good to avoid calling either salon experts at home or going to a salon, and you can do it by yourself. I hope you like the video, the hair and the non-hairy portion. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.